Hey Stampin' Up friends! Are you ready to get more bang for your buck? Today, we're talking about one of the best deals we have on crafting products: bundles. These little powerhouses are not only discounted at 10% off retail, but they are also coordinated to help you create amazing projects with ease. Whether you're into card making or scrapbooking, bundles are your go-to for saving money while having what you need to bring your creative ideas to life. Now, our all-new 2025 through 2026 annual catalog is packed with incredible bundles. But since there are so many to choose from, today we are going to spotlight just 4 of our favorites. Now trust me, these bundles are must-haves for your crafting collection, so let's dive in. First up, we have Notes and Totes Bundle. Now this bundle includes the Notes and Totes stamp set and coordinating dies. The sentiments in this set are designed to look like magazine titles, giving your projects a trendy editorial flair. Plus, the dies are a perfect match, making it easy to create chic, coordinated designs. Next, let's take a look at the Extraordinary Flora Bundle. This one features the Extraordinary Flora stamp set and dies. The open line art in this set is stunning on its own, but if you are looking to add a splash of color, our Stampin' Up coloring tools work beautifully to bring these flowers to life. This bundle is perfect for anyone who loves a touch of florals in their projects. Now, for all of you birthday card makers, the Cone Flower Celebration Bundle is a must-have. It includes Cone Flower Celebrations stamp set and dies. This bundle was designed specifically for birthdays, featuring sentiments like, "It's your day, happy belated birthday, celebrating you, I love that I've known you for so many birthdays," and more. That's perfect for sending birthday wishes and thanking those who have given you gifts. It's a versatile bundle that's sure to become a staple in your crafting collection. Last, but definitely not least, we have the Party Dies Bundle. This one is extra fun because it includes the Party Alphabet dies and Party Banner dies. Now, this bundle is great for a variety of projects. Use the alphabet dies to create custom words on your cards, or mix them with the banner dies to make festive decorations for your celebrations. These dies are also fantastic for memory keeping, so you can create personalized albums and journals with ease. And there you have it, a quick breakdown of some of the amazing new bundles featured in the 2025 through 2026 annual catalog. Bundles are one of the best ways to save while getting everything you need to create fun, beautiful designs. Want to learn more about these bundles and all the other goodies we have in store? Be sure to contact your demonstrator. They're here to help you make the most of your crafting experience. Visit our online store to explore these products in detail and discover our full range of offerings. Thank you for joining me today, and happy crafting. But remember, with bundles, you're getting more for less. So why not treat yourself and your creativity?